Binance to redotpay deposit. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on redotpay from Binance. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to Binance and click withdraw, choose USDT, choose send via crypto network, and here what we need to do is we need the network address of the redotpay. Okay, so right now I need to go to redotpay and click deposit, choose USDT and choose the first one. Okay, so choose here BNB Smart Chain and copy this address and go again to your Binance, and copy paste the address. Okay, and on the choose the network, choose BNB Smart Chain, and here type how much you want to send. Minimum you can send 10 USDT, so I will try with 10 USDT. Okay, and the fees is 0. Okay, so right now I click on withdraw, and here they show you the information, the address where you want to send the money. So check or double check your information before confirm. After that, click on confirm, and right now they send me a code to verify that the owner of this account who is making the transfer, not another person. So I will go to my email and I receive email confirm your USDT withdrawal. So I will scroll down, copy this code and go here again, paste it, and right now the withdrawal processing. So just wait a few minutes and you will receive your money on redotpay account. So this is how to deposit money on your redotpay from Binance. So if you like this video, like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.